Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna demonstrate about middle chest development with flat bench press. So let's begin.
Okay, just start with some lower weight. As you can see, I've used 25 on each side to warm up my chest muscle first. So the technique is while lowering down, you have to pause for some time near the chest. As you can see, I'm doing the same thing on each step. So just pause for some time near the chest and push it up. Okay, in second set you can go a little bit heavy. As you can see, I have used 45 on each side. In third one, go for heavier weight and always use your buddy or partner as a spotter. And here the technique is to do a controlled rep. As you can see, I'm doing it almost controlled in a straight line going up and down. So that's the technique for higher weights. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So that's it for today, guys.